Odin! Odin! Hello, old friend. Had a good time, did ya? You gonna get me out of here? Well, I ain't decided yet. Real funny. Oh, I ain't joking, cowpoke. I heard so much bluster out of your mouth these last 6 months, and now I got an opportunity to watch you be silenced. Well, you gotta do something. Listen, there's one little problem. There's only one of me, and there's a whole town full of people wanting to watch you swing. But fine, I'll get you out. You know stopping a train is a pain in the butt. Sure, but what if we could force a train to stop? Well, of course. We get a wagon full of something flammable. Oil. Put it on the tracks. They see it, they know they either have to stop or die. Ain't no train driver wants to get fried. That is kinda brilliant. For you. And that is a real idea. I think that's the first time you've ever had one of them. Shut up. You might be the first moron to ever have half his brains eaten by a wolf and end up more intelligent. So we doing it? Sure. See, Odin, ain't that dumb. Next time let the wolves eat all your brains, then you'll be a genius. Welcome home, all of you, to my humble abode. We got fine living. Ignore the dead guys and the alligators, and it's paradise. Hey, Odin, good to see you. Why, you want rescuing again? No, I got a plan to make it up to you. Oh, plan like the Blackwater ferry job? Or like you going off scouting and ending up in jail? Back to work with a bloody smile? No problem, Marco, you're the great genius. So we hit you with the hot poker. Say thank you, Marco. Oh, thank you. What are you, some kind of European toy maker, or? No, I am a freaking genius being hit with a hot poker like I say.